Welcome back to Social Speed Digital's informative series. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of video marketing in Christchurch. As businesses adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape, video marketing stands out as an indispensable tool for audience engagement and growth. I'm Gregg, and I'm thrilled to share valuable insights on leveraging video strategies to elevate your online presence and effectively connect with your target market. So, grab your pens because you're in for some game-changing tips and tricks. Let's dive into the thrilling world of video marketing in Christchurch. The power of video marketing in Christchurch. Video marketing has become a pivotal asset for businesses in Christchurch seeking to engage and resonate with their target audience effectively. With the ascent of digital platforms and social media, video content emerges as a highly effective means of communication, driving brand awareness and connecting with potential customers. Through strategic video marketing, businesses in Christchurch can showcase products or services in a visually appealing and engaging manner. This not only facilitates a more personal connection with the audience but also ensures that the brand message is easily digestible and memorable. Furthermore, the impact of video marketing extends to improved search engine rankings and increased online visibility. Search engines like Google prioritize video content, making its incorporation a strategic move for businesses aiming to enhance their online presence and attract organic traffic. In a competitive landscape like Christchurch, video marketing becomes a game-changer, offering a dynamic and impactful way for businesses to stand out in the crowded marketplace. With the right video content, businesses can effectively communicate their unique value propositions, compelling their audience to take action. Video marketing proves to be an invaluable asset for businesses in Christchurch, providing a dynamic and impactful means to connect with the audience and achieve marketing goals. Video marketing is no longer an option but a necessity for businesses in Christchurch aiming to engage their target audience and drive website traffic. With the surge of social media platforms and the growing popularity of video content, businesses can't afford to overlook the power of video marketing. By crafting high-quality, engaging video content, businesses in Christchurch can not only showcase their offerings but also establish a connection with their audience on a more personal level, fostering trust and credibility. To kickstart your video marketing journey in Christchurch, reach out to Social Speed Digital. Our team of experts specializes in creating compelling video content that captivates audiences and drives tangible results. Contact us now on 021 311 380 or visit socialspeed.co.nz to elevate your marketing strategy with the power of video.